Hi, I'm Scout. Let's explore some words. Open the book. Some words. Pets. Animals. Words. Touch a picture. Cat. Meow. Rabbit. Pony. Guinea pig. Dog. Hen. Bird. Fish. Fun facts. Touch a picture to learn something new. This cat climbs. Meow. Rabbit jumps. This pony gallops. This guinea pig walks. The guinea pig is white and brown. This dog is walking. This hen walks. This bird flies. That fish is swimming. Fun sounds. Touch the pictures to hear fun sounds. Meow. Touch a picture. Penguin. Bear. Elephant. Lion. Giraffe. Hippopotamus. Panda. Monkey. Fun facts. Touch a picture to learn something new. Penguin is black and white. This bear is brown. Elephant. Oh, I love elephants. This lion is brown. This giraffe is orange and brown. This hippopotamus is grey. This panda is black and white. Monkey is brown. Look at that monkey swing! Fun sounds. Touch the pictures to hear fun sounds. Fruits. Food. Watermelon. Cherries. Grapes. Pear. Orange. Lemon. Apple. Banana. Facts. Touch a picture to learn something new. This watermelon is green and red. These cherries are red. These grapes are purple. Pear is green. This orange is orange. This lemon is yellow. This apple is red. This banana is yellow. Fun sounds. Touch the pictures to hear fun sounds. Words. Touch a picture. Bread. Broccoli. Milk. Carrot. Eggs. Water. Cheese. Rice. rice. Fun facts. Touch a picture to learn something new. This bread smells delicious. Broccoli is green. Milk makes your bones strong. A carrot grows in the ground. Eggs come from chickens. It's important to drink water every day. Cheese comes from cows. Rice is hard to eat with chopsticks. Fun sounds. Touch the pictures to hear fun sounds. Mealtime. Clothes. Table. Fork. Glass. Bowl. Napkin. Spoon. Bottle. Plate. Fun facts. Touch a picture to learn something new. We put our food on a table. We hold a fork with our hand. This glass is full of juice. We put our food in a bowl. We use a napkin to clean our mouth. We hold a spoon with our hand. This bottle is full of milk. I eat from a plate. Fun sounds. Touch the pictures to hear fun sounds. Words. Touch a picture. Shirt. Shorts. Shoes. Socks. Boots. Gloves. Coat. Hat. Fun facts. Touch a picture to learn something new. This shirt is pink. The sun is out. Time for shorts. These shoes go on our feet. Those socks don't match. Boots are yellow. These gloves go on our hands. Oh, it's cold. Time for a coat. Do you like my hat? Fun sounds. Touch the pictures to hear fun sounds. Colors. My body. Words. Touch a picture. Orange. Red. Brown. Green. Blue. Purple. Yellow. Pink. Fun facts. Touch a picture to learn something new. Orange like tiger. Red like cherries. Brown like monkey. Green like turtle. Blue like the sky. Purple like grapes. Yellow like bananas. Oh, pink is my favorite color. What's yours? Fun sound. sounds. Touch the pictures to hear fun sounds. Words. Touch a picture. Eyes. Nose. Mouth. Foot. Arm. Hand. Ear. Body. Fun facts. Touch a picture to learn something new. Use our eyes to see. We use our nose to smell. We use our mouth to eat. This foot needs a sock. We use our arms to hug. We use our hands to clap. We use our ears to hear. Your body. Fun sounds. Touch the pictures to hear fun sounds. My activities. Outside. Eat. Drink. Crawl. Sleep. Kiss. Run. Jump. Hug. Fun facts. Touch a picture to learn something new. I love to eat carrots. What do you like to eat? It's important to drink water every day. It's so refreshing. Can you grow like a turtle? Sleeping helps your body grow. Mwah! Thanks for the kiss, turtle. Time for my daily run. Jump like a tiger. Ooh, this is my favorite activity. Fun sounds. Touch the pictures to hear fun sounds. Words. Touch a picture. Sun. Cloud. Rain. Flower. Tree. Rainbow. Stars. Moon. Fun facts. Touch a picture to learn something new. The sun is out. It's hot. A cloud way up in the sky. When it's raining, we need an umbrella. This flower is purple. This tree is green. Look at all the colours. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple. Stars way up in the sky. Moon. Fun sounds. Touch the pictures to hear fun sounds. Helicopter. Car. Boat. Submarine. Train. Bus. Aeroplane. Bicycle. Fun facts. Touch a picture to learn something new. A helicopter flies in the sky. A car drives on the road. A boat sails on the water. A submarine moves through the ocean. A train runs on the tracks. A bus drives on the road. An aeroplane flies in the sky. I ride my bicycle on bike paths. Fun sounds. Touch the pictures to hear fun sounds. Birds. Touch a picture. Day. Night. Dirty. Clean. Little. Cold. Hot. Big. Fun facts. Touch a picture to learn something new. In the day, the sun makes the flowers grow. Oh, look at the stars. I'm dirty. I need a bath. I'm clean. Wow, what a little pumpkin. It's cold. Good thing I have a coat. The sun is out. It's hot. Wow, what a big pumpkin. Fun sounds. Touch the pictures to hear fun sounds. But my favorite words are water,